Django, this is an incredible place to cook. We have all of our ingredients ready to go. You ready to start cooking the lamb chop?
Let's do it.
Preheat the cast iron pan over the fire. Season the lamb with oil, salt, and pepper. Add oil into the pan to preheat. Place the lamb into the pan, fat side down, to render. After it renders, flip it onto one of its sides and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Add butter, garlic, rosemary, and thyme, and start to baste the lamb chops until they're finished cooking. Pull lamb off, top with the aromatics and a little bit of the butter oil sauce. Let it rest for 5 minutes in a cooler. Slice and serve.